Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we'll be peeking into the intriguing world of preventive maintenance optimization, a concept we'll refer to as PMO. We're going to break down the ways to make your preventive maintenance tasks more efficient and effective. And guess what? We'll even bust some myths about preventive tasks. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, get ready to level up your knowledge and skills. Let's dive in. Welcome to another episode of UpKeep's video series, where we equip maintenance and operations teams with the tools and resources they need to succeed. Today, we're diving into the world of Preventive Maintenance Optimization, or PMO for short. So what exactly is PMO? It's all about ensuring that preventive maintenance tasks are handled as efficiently and effectively as possible. The goal is to ensure these tasks are performed correctly, completed at the right intervals, and targeted at the correct assets and parts. Here's a pro tip for you. Optimizing PM means acknowledging that preventive tasks aren't always necessary. In fact, did you know that 40% of PMs are wasted on assets that barely impact uptime? Now, let's talk about the three main approaches to PMO, FRACAS, RCM, and judgment-based analysis. First up, we have FRACAS, which stands for Failure Reporting, Analysis, and Corrective Action System. This is a highly efficient approach to PMO, as it uses existing asset failure data to inform PM planning decisions. This data, often logged into a CMMS, helps determine the right strategies for each asset. So when should you use FRACAS? It's best for critical assets with plenty of failure mode data. Next, we have RCM, or Reliability-Centered Maintenance. This approach is a bit more time-consuming than FRACAS, as it uses FMEA, or Failure Mode Effects Analysis, to reason out the risks of each failure mode. PMs are planned based on inductive reasoning. So, when is RCM the best choice? It's ideal for critical assets where failure mode data is scarce. Lastly, we have the judgment-based approach. This is the least precise, yet easiest way to approach PMO. It leverages the best judgment of operators and maintenance personnel. While it's not as accurate as FRACAS or RCM, it's not nearly as time-consuming. This approach is best for non-critical assets that lack sufficient failure mode data. Now that we've covered the three approaches, let's talk about how to optimize your PMs. Whether you're using FRACAS, RCM, or a judgment-based approach, your preventive maintenance plan should include specific tasks for each asset, standard procedures for performing each task, the frequency for each PM, necessary replacement parts and tools, safety and environmental considerations, time estimates per PM task, and acceptable parameters for inspected parts. Once you've defined all of these elements, write them down, put them into action, collect data from work orders, and adjust as needed. Here's another pro tip. PMs should be tuned to the type of task involved, whether it's an inspection, adjustment, rebuild, lubrication, and so on. Thank you for watching this episode on PMO. We've covered the importance of preventive maintenance optimization, the three main approaches to PMO, and how to optimize your PMs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you want to learn more about our tools and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, the goal is to make preventive maintenance as efficient and effective as possible. Choose the right approach, plan carefully, and don't be afraid to adjust as you go. Thanks for tuning in.